Good to start, ma?
Yes, yes. You can.
Yes, okay. Thanks, Abbas. Thanks, Sima. Okay, chalo. We'll go for document entry. We'll go for invoice. Now this is general invoice, okay? This multi-line are helpful. This is a single line. It will take little time to gain. Credit memo we have. Incoming payments is a new thing for you here. So let us quickly post one invoice, either F-22 or FP70. Company code, change TM00. If it is not, then customer. Already we created customer at the time of business partner. We'll pick the same customer. For you, what you do 2 to 3 customers, different customers in different groups. Okay. I'm selecting Onida customer, invoice date. Okay. Invoice date. Then reference number. As we thought this is the first invoice, let us take TM00. Sales invoice will be generated from our Tata Motors end. Then amount, whatever the amount, little bigger amount take, so that when we look at the balance sheet, right, sales will be more when comparatively to our purchases. Okay. Text being sold so and so services we can give. Okay, so let us take some being so and so services. Then GL account, which GL account it will hit, either sales, right? So sales or any service GL, if you created as a revenue, like it can be a product or it can be your services. When it comes to services, it can be Securitas services, or if your company is providing some other services like let us take this course itself, SAP, FICO, MM module, ERP module. So you can create different we have. So let us put the sales. Okay, amount same. I'm selecting here with the help of asterisk. An entry is required in the business area field. So let us update the business area field here. TMH5, I'm updating. Nothing mandatory fields. Okay. So let us enter cost center, profit centers later on, once we do control. Okay, simulate, same option, simulate or go to document, simulate. That simulation will happen. Now here I'll show you one more thing. Simulate general ledger. Okay, when we simulate general ledger, it will show as a sundry sundry debtor to sales account. So like yesterday we were discussing about this one, right? Posting keys when it comes to customer. 01 customer debit, 11 customer credit. Customer account debited. So our entry satisfying customer account debited, sales account credit. Okay, simple, go back and save. Don't escape here. If you escape, it will come out. Just to save. One thing, so you can process the credit note, but I'm not processing credit note. If you want to process credit note and nullify, I'll do one thing. I'll take some different document, some reference TM002, some 450 amount. Mandatory fields I'm taking now. So amount, asterisk, business area as TM Bangalore. Okay, any area, whatever area. Okay, save this one. Simulate and save. Document where you can simulate both ways. One, when you simulate, it will show as a customer account. Okay, Onida account to sales account. Just go back. This is a sales ledger, reconciliation ledgers, automatic reconciliation ledgers. Okay, back debtor, it will show debtor, actual account debtor. Customer is a reconciliation account. Okay, so this is the one way of posting. F-22 also serves the same thing. F-22 also the same thing. You can with DR type, and then you need to go with the posting keys. The same thing will happen here with the posting keys. Okay. When you see posting key 01, you should understand, okay, this is a customer debit. So debit customer invoice. Okay, then credit memo. Let us quickly either FP75 or F-27, whatever it may be. I'll process quickly one debit invoice with today's date, so that I can show you how to charge off those two. Okay, DG, reference whatever it may be. Let's say sales return. Okay, if you observe here, see posting key 11. That means customer is getting credited. Customer is getting credited. Posting key 11. Your sales account become debit now. Okay, so let us pull the same customer. I'll pull Onida customer here. Okay, amount. What was the recent amount I posted? 450, right? 450 I'm taking. Text. Posting key 40 here. Okay, then same this one, GL account 3 lakhs. Sales account, enter. Amount asterisk, text plus. No change at all. It will take it as a credit memo. Okay, your posting key 11 is for customer and 40 is for sales. Reversal entry will get posted. Reversal entry when you do the returns. Okay, so this is done. Posting, I'll save it. Now report. Report would be your FBL 5 and T code here. Same things. Okay, same things. FBL. In accounts, where is the accounts here? Here. We have accounts. Okay. FBL 5 and T code. FBL 5H is a line item. Okay, this is a display balances. Enter FD10N, FK10N, customer wise or vendor wise, you can pull out. Total cumulative balances it will show. Take a little time to execute all these projects. It's to view only. Okay, we need to view. This is a cumulative balances and try to understand how we process. See, credit is showing 450. Total debit is showing some amount with 450. Okay. Okay, so this is a line item display. Okay, now all items I'm trying to show. If you park also, you can special transaction we'll discuss little later from now, just 2 to 3 minutes. So 10 to 15 minutes we discuss, then we can. Okay, so we process credit memo. If you observe here, this debit and credit will get nullified. The amount is showing 9 lakhs plus this 12 lakhs something. Amount is showing as we need to receive. This already got nullified, but still it shows as an open item because these are not cleared off. These are not charge off. How we can charge off these two items here? Okay, before this thing, okay, let us charge off. Then just remind me sort key. Okay, sort key. F-32. F-32 is to clear. When we have a debit and credits, what we will do is in a real time, we will knock it off instead of again showing as an open item. When we have a little transactions, we will not feel difference. But when we have a multiple transactions, right, always we have to analyze why those are two open, why those are not received and all. We have to trace it out. So instead of that, what in a real time we have an option is we can knock off those two, process open items simply. With which you want to take. Okay, nothing got selected here. Ma. Actually, it should be none, but none was not selected. 1 second.